Hi Yogis! Today we're working with our hormonal balance, and this is a very short yet beautiful flow for our hormones and also to give our bodies this beautiful energetic flow. And if the energy flows throughout the bodies, then our hormones are naturally balanced, and also we are reducing toxins, and our core and belly area gets detoxified as well. And this is also very good for our internal organ massage. So with all of this, it will improve our overall health, our weight loss progress, and very beneficial for our feminine energy and for our hormonal balance. So let's start. First, come to sitting in the easy pose here, and we're gonna move to one side and to the other side, and just let yourself enjoy this movement. Go as gracefully, as far as it feels good today, and slightly gaze upwards. And just let it be very natural flow. If you want, you can have straight arms all the way. If you want, you can straight to the end. However you feel like moving. The main thing is that you move with your torso. You let it have this beautiful stretch here. And also you gaze upwards. That way you're opening the spine as well. And this is allowing our pelvic area to open up. And energy moves through the spine, to the arms, throughout the auric field. So just breathe deeply here, enjoy this. And you can keep your navel slightly inwards, that way you're protecting your lower back. But don't do it any further than you're feeling comfortable, so make sure you're not hurting yourself. Very good. Now we're moving forward. We're gonna start to rotate ourselves to the back here. Go as far into the stretch as it's comfortable for you. Make sure you keep this lightheartedness, this energy flowing through. Breathe deeply. With our breath, we are carrying energy throughout the body. The deeper the breath, the more cleansing the body can acquire. Very good. Just enjoy this beautiful flow. It doesn't feel like a workout if you just breathe very deeply here and you just go with the rhythm of the breath. Very good. Now come to the center and place your legs forward. And now we're gonna start with rotating hands. We're gonna start to move to the front and back. And we don't need to go too far to the back, just slightly, so slightly. You don't need to bend yourself too far here. So do it as it's comfortable for you. And as well, to the front, you don't need to go as deep into the stretch. Just, it's all about the flow and the movement of energies. And with this light movement here, we're energizing the body. We're moving this energy from the pelvic area, from the root, from the Svadhisthana, from the navel area, from our sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra. We're moving this energy through the spine to upwards, Anahata, Ajna, and Sahasrara chakra here. And also all the toxins and stuck energy, everything can start to move. From a lot of it is in the lower back area and in the core area. And we're just giving it a beautiful massage and allowing this energy to move outwards from the body. Breathe in and out, in and out, in and out. And again, just enjoy the movement. Nothing serious going on here. Only beautiful movement. This beautiful detoxifying gift you give to your hormones, your internal organs, your lymphatic system, and your overall energetic body as well. Very good. And now, our last exercise, we're gonna do the Malasana Squat, but this time we're gonna place the hands on front of us and we're gonna move like this. We're gonna place the hands as far as they can reach. So I will show like this, as far as they can reach. And then we're gonna come halfway up and come down. Hands can slightly, they should stay in one place, but they can slightly move, just a little bit. Breathe in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And you don't have to come all the way back up. You're gonna come up to the middle part. This gives a beautiful workout for your pelvic area, for your legs, also for your torso and the waist here. So let's go again. And 2 more times. Very good. Now I hope you enjoyed this, and I wish you have a beautiful day. And whenever you feel like you want to give your body this beautiful flow of energy, then just come back to this video and work with me. Thank you so much.